Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable segmented download on the CoookieRun OvenBreak application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. That's the home screen, and you can find different buttons. Go to the upper right corner of the screen to the settings icon. In the left side of the screen, go to the second button, the game, and go to the graphic settings section. Here you can find the third button, the segmented download. Download required files in segments. If you want to disable that, click to the on button. And if you want to refuse the download, you just please restart the app. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.